yung mga tao natin. Let us invest in them. How much money do you spend every year recruiting and training new people because your good employees keep leaving? Let me share about Dennis and Angela. Meron silang veterinary clinic. For many years, they kept hiring staff at minimum wage and wondering bakit umaalis sila. They would train someone for months tapos that person would resign. Nakakapagod. One day, yung kanilang best vet assistant nag-quit para lumipat sa kabilang clinic for just 2,000 pesos more per month. So galit na galit si Dennis. Sabi niya, after everything na tinuro ko sa kanya. Pero si Angela asked a better question. Bakit hindi natin inoffer yung 2,000 na addition sa kanya para hindi siya umalis? Doon nila na-realize na they were spending 30,000 every few months recruiting and training new people dahil ayaw nilang mag-spend ng 2,000 monthly to keep good people. It made no business sense. Kaya binago nila yung kanilang approach. They started paying above market rate for their top performers. They sent their vet assistant to animal handling seminars. They created performance bonuses for staff who brought in repeat clients. Yes, yung payroll nila nag-increase by 15,000 monthly. Pero alam mo ba kung ano yung nangyari? Staff turnover dropped to almost zero. Yung team nila became more skilled. Pet owners trusted them more. Customer retention went up. They could finally accept more complex cases dahil yung trained staff nila nagstay. Diba? Posible. Kaya anak, here is what many business owners need. Your team is not an expense. Your team is an investment. When you invest in people who care about your business, they help you grow it. Kaya stop looking na for the cheapest labor. Start looking for the best people you can develop. Pay them fairly, train them well, and treat them with respect. Tandaan natin ha, ang negosyo natin will only rise as high as the quality of people that we build around us. Now go and be business-minded, Pinoy.